Hello, beautiful humans. Do you ever want to stop running around and just let go of everything and live a slow and simple life? At some time in our lives, we've all had the need to go away from it all, to get away from the hustle, to get away from the noise, and to just be at peace with ourselves. In our extremely fast-paced world, there is too much hurrying and far too much consuming. If you find yourself in such a situation, it's a reminder that you need to calm down and take things slowly in life. Let's talk about some practices that we can all do for slowing down and simplifying our lives. The practice of doing less. We can't live a leisurely life while still pushing ourselves to consume more. Many of us assume that no matter how much we do in a day, there is still always more that can be done. More than ever these days, I'm intentionally telling myself to do less. Remember, before we try to accomplish too much or believe we have to do too much, we don't have to accomplish a lot to have a productive day. Make your to-do list as short as possible. Do fewer things and set a daily objective of no more than 3 to 5 tasks. The aim for the day is to do the most crucial task that will make you happy and contented. Instead of attempting to do 10 activities and being overwhelmed, allow yourself to enjoy the satisfaction of completing 3 or no more than 5 chores as your purpose for the day. Allow yourself to relax and be joyful and content on how much you have accomplished. Even if you could only complete 1, you've done it. You're on your way. This is part of being kind to yourself. And it's important to do one thing at a time. You have a long list of tasks to complete, and time is running out. You don't know where to begin, so you try to do everything at once in an attempt to complete everything. But regardless of what you do, I would advise you to treat each activity as a separate work and to focus only on one item at a time. When eating, eat. When walking, walk. When speaking, speak. Watching something while eating food and not realizing what we're eating. Reading a book and then checking the notice that shows up and forgetting what we're reading. We're doing some research and checking our phones. Our minds are continuously shifting from one thing to the next, and as a result, we end up feeling more stressed and nervous, but we don't understand why. The only remedy is to focus one item at a time. This is another important aspect of slow living and simplifying your life. If you feel the temptation to do anything else, or if you find yourself doing something else without even realizing it, simply stop and return to what you were doing before. Even when there is no necessity, we rush ourselves excessively. Take it easy. Maintain your composure. Be completely immersed in whatever you're doing at the moment. Let's learn to give space in between our tasks as well. Most of us have the habit of completing one work immediately after another. When you accomplish one activity, you immediately think of the next one that needs to be accomplished and go on to it. This is something I've been working on as well. I had been feeling a little weary and stressed, and upon reflection, I realized that I had been going from one task to another without taking a break. We must give ourselves some breathing room in between tasks. Use this to unwind in whatever way suits you best. It might be as simple as relaxing, noting your breath, taking a little stroll, or listening to some music. We all deserve these moments of respite in between chores. It helps you in slowing down. Just be careful not to fill in with things that may divert your thoughts and cause your thinking to hurry again. You will be able to perceive a task as a whole as a result of this. It will allow you to accomplish something more fully without continuously thinking about what you need to do next. It also assists us in slowing down and clearing our minds after each work completed. It also allows ourselves to be appreciative above all. Make use of these areas to express gratitude. I understand that many of you are really busy, especially when you're dealing with work, and if you have children, you go into a rapid forward mode. These gaps, however, do not have to be too long. Simply pause for a moment if you're incredibly busy. Even 2 or 3 minutes will be enough. When you have time, you can schedule 10 to 15 minute breaks between your major chores. And it's very important to be present. Stop worrying about what has to be done next while you're doing something. Be completely present in whatever you're doing, whether it's writing, reading, studying, talking to a friend, doing dishes. Being aware of what your body is doing in the current moment is one approach to be present. It doesn't matter if you're sitting, standing, or lying down. What are you doing with your leg? What are you doing with your hand? Be aware of what you're doing. Remember that this is a practice that cannot be completed in a day, a week, or even a month. So be patient with yourself. Hey, if you're not yet part of my Slow Living community, hit that subscribe button so you can be alerted when I upload my videos. Also, smush that like button so more people can be shown this type of video. Thank you. Okay, let's continue. Let silence be part of your day. When was the last time you sat down by yourself and did nothing except examine your thoughts and fantasize about your aspirations, desires, and objectives that you aspire to reach one day? Your soul needs stillness in order to develop and learn. It's pleasant to just sit in solitude. Silence slows everything down. Allow for purposeful quiet throughout the day. Allow yourself to be refreshed by silence. Try it once if you've never sat in quiet before. Maintain a deliberate silence. Don't think of it as meditation or anything like that. It's nothing major. Simply sit in a comfortable posture, keep still, and allow silence to fill your mind. Even 5 minutes of quiet is beneficial. You will notice that your thoughts will slow down. Upon waking is the first thing I do. I sit down in solitude. I take a moment to observe my breath. Then I offer gratitude for the day. Meditate and consider my aspirations and hopes for the future. By doing this, I instill positive ideas in my subconscious mind first thing upon awakening. Try to practice doing everything slowly in your day. Everyone is rushing in our fast-paced world. Rushing to work, rushing from work, rushing to be in line, rushing to be first, rushing to get a job, rushing for the next promotion, and rushing against a variety of obstacles. Why are we so antsy? Let's take things gently and simplify our lives. Allow someone to take your spot in line if they come rushing up to you. Allow someone to push ahead and rush you home from work. Allow someone to pass you by while driving. Allow them to rush. You move slowly. And not too slowly that you get a ticket, though. Walk slowly. Slow down. Consume slowly. Slowing down the tasks you do every day can allow you to bring greater simplicity into your life and truly help you live a leisurely lifestyle. Learn how to truly relax. You've been sitting at your office or sleeping all day, yet you're exhausted. Why do you feel so exhausted even when you haven't done anything? It's because your mind hurries more than your body during the day. We are fatigued because our minds are exhausted. So after a hard day at work, we come home, lie down, turn on the television, or keep browsing through social media on our phones and watch series after series. That is the most popular concept of relaxing. Yes, you too are deserving. But do you truly feel calm after browsing through your phone till you fall asleep? After watching series after series, do you truly feel at ease? Your body too requires rest. Most of us do not give our bodies adequate rest. But your intellect also does a lot of work. It operates 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even when you're sleeping. Did you know that in a single day, we have around 6,000 thoughts? Your mind takes in a lot of information, and you think about a lot of topics during the day. Remind yourself that your mind, too, requires rest. Relaxing is beneficial not just to the body, but also to the mind. Our minds are extremely vital, yet we don't prioritize them, and then wonder why our mental health is so poor. Allow no more information in for a time while you relax. For a time, do nothing. There is no need to always be connected and engaged. Allow your body to relax. Allow your thoughts to relax. Disconnect. Turn off the internet. Leave your phone in the other room. Allow yourself to let go. Relax. Allow your body and mind to relax and take it easy. One of the best things we can do is adopt the way of nature. Lao Tzu put it very well. Nature never hurries, yet everything is accomplished. If you want to live slowly, you must accept nature's pace. This indicates that you must allow yourself to work slowly to complete a task, whether it's a habit you want to develop, a business you'd like to expand, a talent you like to master, or anything else. Allow yourself to be a student. Don't attempt to learn everything all at once. Everything of high quality necessitates time. Don't take the easy way out. Choose the longer way. We give up much too frequently because we are impatient. We want to see results as soon as possible. We want our company to expand quickly. We want to learn quickly. We want to form a habit as soon as possible, and we wish to finish that series as soon as possible. However, in a society where everyone is impatient, be a rebel and allow yourself to task slowly. If you want to grow, take it slowly. I want you to know that you will develop that habit. You will mature. You will discover. You will be flawless. You are going to be successful. Slow down and don't try to do everything in one day. Nothing can be grown in a single day. Consider your diet. Everything you ate today was grown by plants, and it took time for them to grow. Farmers had to work hard to get the correct quantity of sun, rain, and water, and it took time to grow. Impatience causes you to be violent. Patience teaches you to be kind with yourself. Patience is a huge act of love in and of itself. Continue to try. Continue to learn. Slow living and slowing down really hastens our progress. Do you have anything to add to this discussion? If you do, please share it with us in the comments below. I hope you found this video helpful. And until next time, be kind to yourself.